This tutorial will show you how to install camera housings to the JB02 junction box. The supported camera housings are BF2, BV2, BF4, BF6. First, use the supplied drill template sticker to identify the installation position. Leave enough space for the cable outlet. Drill and use expansion bolts if necessary. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the top plate from the junction box. Route the cable through the bottom opening. Use the 3 screws to mount the junction box onto the wall. Remove the waterproof pad from the plate, route the cables through the opening. Install the white rubber pad back to ensure sealing. Adjust the holding bolt of the IPC to allow a better angle for later screw tightening. Use the 3 screws to mount the IPC onto the plate. Connect the required cables. Twist and store the excess inside the junction box. Tighten the 3 screws to mount the plate and IPC onto the junction box. Use the holding bolt to adjust and immobilize the angle.